Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Guys, I have found one free AI website builder and it is a simple UI and its name is Rocket. And in this website, you can build any kind of web app, mobile app, an internal tool, dashboard, landing page, whatever you want to build, you can build that. It has this one of the important feature which is import Figma. So if you click on it, here you can paste any kind of complex Figma file and it will implement or it will clone that also. So in this video we will build this sales management dashboard. So what I will do that I will keep this Figma design link to this Rocket and we will show you that how much it has capability to exactly copy or clone that Figma design into website. And here you can build any kind of React Next or this web app also and that mobile app also. Okay, so let's see. First of all, I have given one link in description. Go there and there you will find this kind of UI, and on the right hand side you will find this get started button. So click on that. After that it will ask you to log in, and after the login if you click on this import Figma, it will ask you to connect your Figma account here and you will see this kind of interface. So just click on this connect, and after that it will connect your Figma account with this Rocket, and after that only you will see this kind of box or pop-up. Here you have to paste your Figma URL. Now if you go to this Figma, so just write on Google that Figma free website template, you will see this kind of link, 10,000 plus free website template and themes to customize. So go there and here you will find many landing page and dashboard CRM page. So whatever the design that you want to exactly copy or clone, so just open that. So I want to copy this kind of sales management dashboard. So open it on Figma and here you see. Now what I can do, just click on this design and just right click on it, and here you see it is asking me copy paste as. So just see it, copy paste as, and click on this copy link to selection. Now go to this Rocket and here paste that Figma link or URL. Now click on this start import. So now here it will do that, it will go to this that design page, and after that you will find this kind of page. Here you see that on the left hand side it is asking me select frames you want to convert to code, and it has given me one option to select that page, and on the right hand side here you see that I have this frame what I have copied from that Figma. So just select that. Now click on this start import. Now after that it will ask you, let's customize your tech stack. In which tech stack you want to convert your design to code. I just want to select this React. If you prefer HTML you can select that, or Next.js you can select that. Now click on this confirm, and after that it will ask you question that in which language you want to build it, JavaScript or TypeScript. Select this JavaScript for now, but if you are familiar with TypeScript then you can select that also. Now I want to select this design system as Tailwind CSS. Click on this confirm, and after that it will go through some stages. Here you see it is scanning Figma design, after that downloading screen images. So you see that in our design we have some images, right? So it will download that images, and after that here you see optimizing groups and layers, downloading design assets, switching to preview, and it has not gone through this writing code right now, and it is showing me that I will take 5 to 7 minutes to build as per your request. I will build well research, well design, and well written, and also functional solution, all of that things. So we have to wait for this 5 to 7 minutes. After that 5 to 7 minutes is completed, I will back to this video again. And another important thing is that if you don't understand that how to copy the Figma URL, then in that case, when you will click on this import Figma, you will find this pop-up, and below this input box you will find how to get URL. So click on this, and after that you will find this kind of docs file from Rocket, and here they have explained clearly that get your Figma URL, and all of that process they had discussed. Method 1, share the full file, means where you have to click this process. I have already shown you that copy paste as link to selection, so it will not be a problem. Okay, now it has generated the full preview. Here you see that it is exactly looking like the Figma. So if I show you that Figma design here, this was the Figma design, and this is our design that is generated by this Rocket. And on the top here you see that we have three options: code, preview and Figma. So if you want to see this Figma and preview, then I will show you. Here you see, if I go to this Figma, we have this four boxes for this today's sale, and for this top product we have this kind of linear lines, and for this earnings we have this kind of chart or graph, and for this visitor insight we have this one chart, and for this customer fulfillment we have this chart. Right, now if I compare it with the preview, so here you see for this customer fulfillment, okay, this is the preview, and if I go to this Figma, here you see this is the customer fulfillment. You see that it has exactly copied the design into code. So this is the code. Here you see it has exactly copied that, and also in case of level, here you see it is exactly matching, and for this visitor insight also it is exactly matching. So it has copied that things. And if I open it in the preview option, here you see that you will find this full screen option. So go to this full screen, and here you see this is the full screen preview. Okay, on the right hand side you will find this kind of this drop down also, and you can add many things. So currently this dashboard is pointing to this page, and later you can add the other pages functionality also on for the left hand side. Okay, now here if I show you that publish button, so on the right hand side you will find this publish, so they will give you one link. So if you want to share it with anyone, you can do that also. Okay, otherwise you can add your custom domain. So if I just open it, and there you go, here you see on this link it is getting opened. So in this way you can convert any Figma design to source code, and it will copy exactly that things, and you can download that code from the left hand side. Here you see we have this source and this component and this pages. Okay, inside this component we have this common and UI, and see this header.js and button.js is the common things that they have made, and we have this dashboard. Inside that we have this index.jsx. Okay, and the source code you see that it is exactly the industry ready standard production ready code base. Okay, they have used this clean tailwind css. So you can get this idea from this here, and now you can actually import it or download this code. Here you see on the right hand side we have this download code option, so you can download this code and import it on cursor, and there you can modify it also, or if you want to modify in VS Code then you can do that. Okay, so this is the thing that I wanted to share with you guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to watch the other videos also that I have published on this Google Jules, Cursor CLI, Cloud Code, and this GPT-5 comparison with the Kimi K2 and Lovable versus Cursor. All of that interesting and important video I have published for you. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.